Are you looking for the best ice cream scoops? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best ice cream scoops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. You wouldn't know from looking at it, but the Zero original ice cream scoop is actually an engineering wonder. The scoop itself is made of lightweight aluminum, but the handle is filled with heat-conductive, FDA-approved mineral oil. The internal liquid heats up from the warmth of your hand, making the scoop's metal slightly warm. The result is a scoop that feels comfortable to hold and slides smoothly through hard ice cream with minimal pressure required. When we tested this in a home kitchen, it took no time at all to scoop tight, round balls of ice cream with the Zero. The ice cream easily slid into an awaiting bowl, especially during the first tests while our hand was still warm. That ease of scooping hard ice cream, a sleek and balanced design, and perfectly sized servings put the scoop at the top of the list. Best of all, this is one solid piece, so there's no danger of parts breaking or loosening over time. It should last a lifetime if it's hand washed as directed. The downside to the Zero scoop is that it is unable to tolerate temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it unable to go in the dishwasher. Scoop size, 2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.3 x 2.1 x 1.9 inches. Weight, 5.6 ounces. Material, aluminum. Number 2. Best budget. The Spring Chef ice cream scoop has an ergonomic, comfortable rubber handle that comes in 12 different colors. We tested the purple one. The handle also boasts a notch at the bottom for lifting off frozen lids, similar to a bottle opener. No more cold fingers. This scoop is made from zinc alloy. It's also available in stainless steel, and the 3-ounce scooper creates medium-sized scoops that easily release with minimal effort. We found the curved handle very comfortable to hold and kept our hand warm while scooping. Though one of the heavier scoops, it felt comfortable and didn't cause any wrist strain while using, even with a hard ice cream that included mix-ins. After completing testing, the zinc alloy scoop came out of the dishwasher as shiny as it went in, but the handle looked duller with some residue. This slight discoloration didn't affect the comfort of the handle, though. Scoop size, 3 ounces. Dimensions, 7.75 x 1.8 x 1.25. Weight, 7.4 ounces. Material, zinc alloy. Number 3. Best Spade. Ice cream spades are usually seen in gelato stores, but you should really give one a chance over the traditional scoop. The Good Grip stainless steel ice cream spade has a slightly curved paddle that slides easily through hard ice cream or ice cream with mix-ins. The spade is great for scooping large portions, as well as transferring homemade ice cream from the ice cream maker to a freezer-safe container or pint. We found it was comfortable to hold, balanced, and didn't cause any wrist strain when used. Plus, the non-slip handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip and keeps your hand from getting cold. With no moving parts, this scoop is sturdy and durable, and, as a bonus, is dishwasher safe. This type of scoop isn't the best for scooping small portions or making ice cream cones, since it's hard to control the serving size and appearance. When we used this scooper with a pint of ice cream, we found it a challenge to see over the paddle since it was larger than the container itself, so that's something to keep in mind. However, it worked very efficiently in the half-gallon tub of ice cream. Scoop size, 4 ounces. Dimensions, 9 x 2.5 x 1 inches. Weight, 7.4 ounces. Material, stainless steel. Number 4. Best Disher. One issue with ice cream scoops is that they're too flat or too large for other culinary uses, like scooping cookie dough or divvying up cupcake batter. If you want a versatile tool, you're better off with a smaller disher-style scoop like the Genaluca large scoop. We tested this as part of the scoop set, which is great for gifting, but the large 3-tablespoon scoop would be the one most likely used for ice cream. We liked that the 18/8 stainless steel disher felt durable and comfortable to hold in either hand. The squeeze handle is easy to control, and the sweeper mechanism produces nice, tight balls, even with hard ice cream. Smooth ice cream released easily, but it took a couple of extra squeezes to release ice cream with mix-ins. You will need some hand strength to squeeze and release, which gives a lot of control when serving, but might not be suitable for children or elderly people. The versatile, dishwasher-safe scoops come with a lifetime guarantee should any part break. Scoop size, 3 tablespoons. Dimensions, 11x 4.5x 1.18 inches. Weight, 6.4 ounces. Material, 18/8 stainless steel.